Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hello viewers, today we will learn alternative words for very good. Do you use words very good again and again? Instead of saying very good, try using these powerful alternatives. Here is the list of 8 alternatives: excellent, outstanding, amazing, impressive, remarkable, fantastic, great job, well done. Now let's learn the sentences for all of these. Excellent. Your performance in the exam is excellent. Excellent. Your performance in the exam is excellent. Outstanding. Her presentation was outstanding. Outstanding. Her presentation was outstanding. Amazing. Amazing. You have done an amazing job. Amazing. You have done an amazing job. Impressive. Impressive. His coding skills are impressive. Impressive. His coding skills are impressive. Remarkable. Remarkable. Her dedication to studies is remarkable. Remarkable. Her dedication to studies is remarkable. Fantastic. Fantastic. The teacher gave a fantastic explanation. Fantastic. The teacher gave a fantastic explanation. Great job. Great job. Great job on your final presentation. Great job. Great job on your final presentation. Using better words to make your English sound more confident and professional. Goodbye! Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!